Hey gang, it's Sarah here with Real Marketing Solutions and this week's digital marketing tip. If you've been following along over the last couple weeks, we've been talking about YouTube and specifically how to leverage the platform to grow your business. Today, I am going to share with you one of my tips for getting people to engage with more of your video content instead of just having them come to watch one video. So it's all about how you organize your content. I don't know about you, but if you've ever landed on a YouTube channel and they have all kinds of videos and it's not organized, it can actually be kind of a deterrent and make people want to get off the page quicker, or have people just watch the video and then they leave. Now, if you remember back from when we talked about the YouTube algorithm, that's exactly what YouTube does not want to happen. In fact, that's what they call a bounce rate, when they just come to the content and they leave. So we want to reduce that bounce rate and make it as easy as possible for people to continue engaging with our content, which makes creating playlists really, really important and organizing your content so that the playlist makes sense and that people can seamlessly go from one video to the next video and get the information that they need. If you're one of those people that's just throwing up your video content on YouTube and really not paying attention to how it's organized, I'm going to challenge you this week to go in and spend some time creating playlists, organizing your content, and giving the user a better experience. YouTube is going to love you for this, and you're going to love that they love you for this. All right, that's it for this week's Tuesday tip. If you have questions or need help, you can reach out to us on the web at realmarketingsolutions.net, or you can touch base with us on all of our social media. We'd love to hear from you, and we'll see you next week with more tips on YouTube.